Ikpuchie Ejaye.
Ejaye. Ikpuchie.
I na-agba oringo. Yeah, na-eme aja ife. Na-eme ọrụ. Oringo kacha mma. Because more of oringo as a way to give God glory. It's a pleasure to know that the act they put across, they successfully accept. It's just like a KOK and a
non-sacrifice.
Well, there are sacrifices. But all men you believe what so when I was going to believe when I'm going to see somebody, I'm going to get on my 30 at the go. That's a good one. Because I know I'm going to career. I'm going to do if you want to go to studio. And I'm going to boot and I'm going to. But then I could do Sour Boys. Flavour bombs in that guy. I got go home as you go. I don't forget. On Nigerian Onyeisinkuka put to be Flavour on first major outing him. Araga Bandara one on Nigerian. But it was a privilege. Obi Flavour ko piano. Let me not go too far. I'm going the closest one. I need your fear. No to a wine. When a Flavour in afro. Also, one of the people who zero discipline now. Flavour cha discipline. Now why? Only able ada lot to ala. That kind of discipline. But in a fair mama no area. But no able wine, Jenwa, Adwa greedy in just be a good boy instead of being a full-fledged boyfriend and demanding rights. You better just be a side nigga and enjoy the benefits of free quintus. Anyway, this is WAGA G Onyeisinkuka. When you say that kind yeah.
Gbam, 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 gbam. And the by maka ise me and get gbam. By now, gbam na gas international. Afam to Chijoke gwendo dogu bobo yambaba. Ezigbo onye aba. Maka ise akụkpọli ya na gbam gbam bụ ebe a na-akpọta ndị ọdịka ọ dị anyị ndị nwere ọnụ eji ekwu okwu ndị nwere ike eji ana na the big talkers. Obodo nwe okwu obi etiekwa na arụ if you no get my come body. Tata I nwere somebody in the game ka nkwe ka o si ekwu watago I nwere a legend in the game, a master, an ancestor, a man that most of us we heard his voice but we rarely saw the face. Mana anyị nwabụkwalụ ndị nwere anya eji afụ nka ma onye na-ebe ma mmụọ na-ebe ka enabata no Ikenna Ekezie ụfọdụ n'ime unu akpọ Ikenna eme ama mana akpọ WAGA G Onyeisinkuka OPP worldwide the chairman CEO ndị gba ọtọ FM the crooner of Omademma, the crooner of life WAGA Kevin none of them a senior man in the game. As a novel, my Peter Ryan, but me man, I may be the bear. WAGA, welcome to the show. Yeah, Kawala Ikendo Onyebo Ikenna Ekezie, Kablogun is Wi-Fi.
Ikenna Ekezie, it's a telephone bar from the school. Ikenna Ekezie, Amurum Nenugu, Tom Nenugu, and I was Anambra by origin.
By where?
Origin. Ogidi Kambo.
Oh, it's one Ogidi.
Confirm. Yes, by origin.
Okay.
Maneto Nenugu. By OT, Nenugu. Nenugu every and to go school. Garcia I see had to immigrant every Nenugu. Then Ikenna Ekezie from CIC opposite Bazia WAGA G.
Okay.
Back at the name of WAGA G from CIC. So Ikenna Ekezie not to the on the side. WAGA G take it over.
Where Gabazia the bell?
Gabazia from there. But Ikenna Ekezie as a human being. The DJ from WAGA G.
Abi?
Kind of, yes.
I get you when I live WAGA, if onye Ogidi na-eme nwa afọ no.
Yes, sir.
Ogidi bụ nnekwu obodo Chinua Achebeva. If I'm not mistaken. kedu ife melu ogidi ji wee bụrụ afa bụ na-akpọ onye ọbụla atọ nụọ kedu ife na-eme isi na ịbụ onye ebe kedu ife melu ogidi ji wee dị ebube
Igbogon first of all Chinua Achebe
adres
oh yes nwere ndị ọcha na-ekiri one day somebody wee na-ekwu okwu I read a book ndị ọcha na-abụ si I read one book things fall apart nke ọzọ si Chinua Achebe si ihe ọbụla sọ gị kpọọ ya onye ogidi ibe nwanne am dị ibe all him what he is yes so o menwuru ibe
yes
and respect to his name putting us in the map anywhere in the world so onye ogidi cup that makes ogidi great but apart from that we ndị ogidi anyị na-enyebe nsogbu mara ya da n'ire yọdara anyị na-enyebe nsogbu anyị na-adịba anyị na-adịba rọfọrọfọ small onye chọọ rọfọrọfọ enye rọfọrọfọ but ogidi na-eme nwafọ ogidi bụ ezigbo obodo I like him their way although na like I said they won't cover much ties with Anambra
yes ọbịa ọdịkwuo ka entertainment adịkwu ndị ogidi n'ọbala maka na abịa n'ive egwu enwegoghị WAGA G enwekwalụ nke a na-akpọ Odenigbo nke tili enwe na-akpa ike bụ na ọ nọ n'Ọka ọbata ogidi amawara m ịmụ ya Odenigbo enwekwa onye nze ama obi na ogidi Nwambinu onye bụ unu nwanne denu Bob Manuel Udokwu onye fim yes nze a na-agba nkili so ogidi nwere ebu nwee mfụ unu kala aka n'ife na-eme denu olili unu nwafọ unu na-eme na-adakwa ụda ebe niile okay let's talk about you growing in Enugu kedu ife ito n'Enugu mee na ndụ how was life growing up in Enugu and kedu ogbe ito n'Enugu ganiru
ebido m n'Ụwanị amụ m n'Owerri Road mana ebi Ụwanị real estate bụ ebe nọ ịmago ụmụaka
yes
ebe aka nọ mebie ịmago mkirikiri mebie real estate bag and me teach most of my friends guys from there I turn out Amechi Street Chiene Bembea Bab is the grand wealth man na chalan that in fact one bido to na akuzitulu me small
okay
na marucha we mana tobe mgbe ahụ ngazi achala ambeze mwazi guy in that ala so we basira anwe my guys are them yeah but everybody say na ngmme na nke fish really man church baga nwoke no get involved with the street
yes
but it na actually to one it was fun because I have the foundation I have today. All those streets make my sense, my tolerance, my endurance, my approach, everything. All those streets, all those days. So Enugu still number one my place.
Yeah.
CIC
Enugu anyị na-anụ ya otu anyị si anụkwa awa mgbe anụkwa kedu ife mee CIC Enugu ji wee bụkwalụ skuulu bụ na onye Botania ọ na-eko na ọ ga CIC
CIC bụ na Sempen ọ bụrụ na eme ya ọzọ etie Sempe man of the list I nwere a lot of notable boys n'Odimogo metagokwa ihe na CIC Flavour na CIC can meet ya
oh
yeah na CIC can meet Flavour first time so I nwere a lot of CIC were like and my dad jakwa CIC Yeah. So CIC it's like one of the best school in Enugu. One boys school here in Enugu. Highest, you got compare any about Crown boy. Then, yeah, man, CIC go Catholic school. You go the boys in the CIC boys in Patarefa. They took a one name. See about CIC I'm there for Wakamaka. My is wrong. Webe CIC back or you didn't come up with bank of school. Damn that me piawa mothers.
Waga after CIC, if further your education, can he go?
I got me suit now. Every got diploma now.
Okay.
My diploma in 2 years. I buy a suit. Yeah, buy a suit to go 4 years. And I'm buying when man a current suit. You be not going na can. Also, you can not have na. All those my suit years. All me book and jara class part time. That's I graduate to Kwamo, man. I'm going much mad there to God. Where much man.
Can you call say go? Can you call say copy?
I go boss at me. I want with the bag like AC. I want to there. Then when back and go. Jack and go. Man, I'm go business administrator. Just an go. Yeah, that's one more. No bag, I don't acquire pure sound. I got cheap things. Studio up and down. Only as a mad pastor
there.
Yeah.
Enugu bo more like the Lagos of the Southeast then. Amasa Makaketa, just like you said, Esut, IMT, Onyeisinkuka, what encouraged such thing that time? Gini me Enugu juwebolo state produce entertainers as at your time. Can you encourage Chauno Ofuma?
Enugu a different kind of setting. Now the rock cities like Onitsha and Aba. Enugu the more anago awo. Obro bro the maintain la such in Enugu. Like you just on the busy, chief to the shop.
Yes.
Yeah. So, but Enugu, most people they used to EGA school. So an EGA school that were men Enugu had been exposed more than every other people. So we have entertainment, and the immigrant Enugu. Esut IMT. Some other people are worry port. I better so what that's quite their vibe. You mix with two men IMT. From a bar, that kind mixture of orientation from under I better I go school, my unique. So that youth school life never put that creativity. Yes. As opposed Onitsha and Aba. Because Onitsha and Aba before to Toyam the shop. They go Kanach. Yeah. So Emily Nugu feel Nugu G. One such a
Dalo. Yes. It's not the name WAGA G, but when you were in CIC, CIC. Can you the inspiration behind the name? Can you mean? Can you WAGA G initially?
Nah, I see him then, but but I just SS1.
Hey, class SS1 no.
SS1. One guy just pursue me with a class. So I Jakarta the guy like this now. But now was only one guy and I was Salata. class. The word in Kuku too much. Yeah, put the word all over WAGA G. I'm maybe the first just look at the vocabulary. And was what for that name from that first day. It became my name.
Hey.
Salata. Was what for me the name. And on I put me out of react to him. Okay. It's still okay. First thing first, I like from the name. Mgbobido. Ncheno yanga ma kwekwe. Yeah, every BH about the name. WAGA G. Now before now, man, I got the whole class. Okay, she's okay, no wala. About the name. From there, you know, maybe the name remained from there. Before by the name yourself, yeah. By me with the name remain WAGA G, WAGA G, WAGA G. Neguzi ka adịziri Onyeisinkuka n'azụ.
Good news. From anywhere you are in the world, you can now be our guest on Gbam. As long as you have an internet connection and a mobile device, you can now be interviewed from our studio anywhere in the world. Contact the numbers on your screen to book a session with us. Imana, ụfọdụ n'ime anyị amara na inwe a musical career before collaborations between you and Flavour. People they feel just one guy man, Flavour just so na attach n'ihe ọ na-eme. Why maka your musical career and your journey as a musician, you as a person? Get close to video and how did you go?
I video no kugane egwu.
Or rap ka ị na-rap mgbe or normal verse.
Rap. Nah, fagada the rap. Muna Rock 9, my man, I would just simples. I know go so well. I need see you Jeff Port book session. Now go na studio ba na enye nsogbu. Ba na agwaghị ha Flavour agwagwa go. Igbo na go na na.
Biapalo.
Yeah. So I may wanna play Kelebe then, only good sharp I remember play Kelebe on everywhere. So only one Rock 9 DJ Mustard. You so rest in peace. Oh guy
Amen.
Yes, so me book the speaker. Odawa ni to the street. Odawa speaker. Onya microphone tira instrumental. Na fara up ne to do na ga akuchichande modern.
Ana fara papa.
Na waga na rumba na every day onya obuna pulucha microphone onya ka na afa onya na afa. So yeah ka megide. Then na Rock 9 group and as I don't simples. From there I told a studio in Enugu because I didn't even go to the studio in Enugu. All from bank, I was a pure sound. Then Flavour had the pure sound. Yeah, I didn't meet here. He became our producer. Yeah, all the very good yeah, like the best snap over that. So he became our producer. I know.
Bo Flavour.
Yeah, I book a session on pure sound. I am a producer. Then Emma was the engineer. So I produced some songs, nice songs. You know. Then we became friends from there. Yeah, they were very, very close. Then from there, by more we have interest on the engineering side of on the whole studio work itself. Yeah, So then my guy, Rock 9 Mini partner, I had to go. Went to sponsor mba sponsor. Like Lagos. And a video, shoot a video for one video. And atakwa. Magani is young back, I get push, I get me the Flavour So he try do 1 or 2 songs on his own. Or record Kwamba or which is Nabania. Obogote Lagos. The meeting by Fuchana Lagos. Nothing. Now, Bogote Lagos record all the track in Lagos. And Nachiata Enugu release the song with Reggae and Nabania. Nabania take care of. Then, career Muna Johnson Pills with Muna Rock 9. I pull Lagos. Okay. As youthful exuberance. And everything say we lost opportunities, but Lagos, we lost opportunities of dying happy to personally support, so sponsor,
Yes.
So not as a East. Flavour some kai now to go to all the first. I be the all. Meanwhile, only a very, very big incident in man. Mona, that my friend the Jikoto, that my group guy.
The Rock 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
Buying one studio in the town. So the idea the Mabia, Magana Rorum Mabia Kanya. So Oman could do if you is go to studio pra. Nah, I'm gonna boot and I'm gonna Other we do sour boys. Nah. Flavour bombs in that guy. Nah. I got go home as you go. See, I'm not no magic. I could put a guy out of story. Or go magic. One guy put in there was my guys. Baby didn't cause didn't can see you on. Never nana. I got my baby. That's not from. So okay, no wala. Nah, like joke. It's in a cause quite a problem. Now one studio I know because even under man now from I know they work home serious. No, you are especially in a studio. I'm going to my I believe that Ela wine a studio no man goes pam na studio I believe it. Yes. Yeah. So I'm with a lot of things I believe in Yamba. So and that was the bond, Muna Flavour the Oro. Because I'm with so much respect for the Oro. Yeah. I see be like one way they hide. So I guess those guys didn't understand it then. Yeah. So that was how we parted ways anyway. Magomua, when I Flavour Gawaja, well, I was it things how I go down, But from there, we understood what was what. The serious on part any play. When I have WAGA
Madman.
But no, it's a pleasure to know that the act they put across, they successfully accepted. It's just like KOK and
Non-sacrifice.
Nah, thank you. Other sacrifices. But I believe. So as far as I believe when I'm going to see Onyeisinkuka na ike ụmụ nwanyị 30 at a go. That's a good one.
That's a good one. Some of those lines, unna fachamba, if I like 1 or 2, can you still remember some of Imanasna again one ara kankana? If I like 1 or 2 rap, unna facha.
Hey, I can. My guy, you go there, yeah. If a kelebe combust, yeah. Ekelebe, 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 you one day, ekelebe, you one day, nwa, on your mask, set ready, on your mask, get the poso, ekelebe, I hate to tell you this.
Ego a ka rhymes a na-agụrụ ụmụazị.
Man, have you waited a Port Joku when I should record? Onewu mgbe nna gwegoziokwu na-ahapụ.
Ịma na ụdị egwu a na-ewuchakwa mgbe a ụmụ Prophet Meka. Yes, ebe na-eme nwa nwanne ndị nwa wee mere na Chinele ịgbajọ bolingo ma emesịa. You know, simple talk.
Yes.
Simple talk.
Simple, even until now, us.
Yes.
Makes sense.
People are tired of trying to hear what you are saying. Kedu some of the big guys nọcha mgbe a inwe ike ipe homage now, you know, nyecha shout out. Some of the guys before the fame, mgbe a unu emecha, some of the respected guys unu elukcha up to mgbe a.
Nigaro. Chinoma. Oh, guy now.
Okechukwu.
Yeah, Nigaro. I know they forget. Oh, Nigaro Onyeisinkuka. You know.
Made boys believe.
Yeah. At least you put to be Flavour on. From Flavour. First major out in them. Araga Bandara one. Oh, Nigaro.
Were you the voice on that Araga Bandara?
Yeah, I remember play my part there. You some like 8 bar. Oh yeah, first time, go or something with a bigger name. Yeah, shoot one video. It was good then. Yeah.
Do you think we respect what Nigaro did for the game enough? Do you think we talk about it enough? What Nigaro did for the game? Do you feel that that Flowers enough? And what did you think he did for the game?
Well, Nigaro was the first person I want to do man all the possible. All the possible. And I go because him and I go not the other of the day. No, then I gonna forget Sonya outcast. Yeah, so Nigaro first people me very obolo. Na na-emekwa this thing Onewu Nigaro mgbe ahụ was a privilege ọbịa ọkpọ Flavour ka ọ kpọrọ ya piano. It's a big privilege, you know. So at the end of the day, man sị na a na-enye enough regards, but all I can say is Ivy by like I don't expect so much from us when it comes to event. Yeah, but our team like that. So even take Andy but you're tagging no what you flowers have like that. Because a lot of people are gonna appoint not just in Nigerian self.
Okay.
A lot of big names. Yes, now. A lot of big names.
People like who?
I'm going to Igbo kugole egwu bona. Ichetakwa if una ndị Igbo no dey even respect them as such. Apart from Nigerian, ndị kugolu before Nigerian herself. Man, bright. Senior men kugolo egwu na Igbo. Ọ bụrụ otu a ka esi eme ha up west, bụrụ otu a ka esi eme legends. Anyị nwe abụcha ndị nna anyị mana ya cheka anyị n'azụ nna. Anyị abụcha ndị entertainment like that. No. Anyị bụ Igbo mba. Anyị na-eme na anyị ga-emenwu. A lot of us have passion in it. A lot of us believe in it. A lot of us have made it, doing it. But really, I be Igbo. As you can see.
Mba, ị nwere point because if ka ndị West sikwa ebu ụdị mmadụ dịka ma King Sunny Adeva, Shino Peters, K1, Kwam, even some of us that did not even know their songs that time, but we will be forced to also respect them, just the way they are being portrayed. Mana amam na ika nwekwa one of the Oriental brothers ha nọchakwa alive. I think Dansach also. Aika nwekwa Okejakota ha nọchaskwa alive. Mana when you see them on the road, Chika Opala ha, Luke Ezeji ha. So I think I agree with you. I agree with what you are saying.
Afọ niile na-akpa afọ isi ụtọ aha kwanyere ha ugwu. Onye nke ọbụla na-enweghị ego n'ime aka awụọla gbagwa nke ya. Iji ego nke Igbo bugoro abịago n'ala Igbo. Ihe ọbụla sọ gị kụọ n'egwu iji physical money na-afụ anya. Na constance. Akụghị. Ọsarebe ha na-akwanyere Ọsarebe ugwu ruo ya lota. Mekwu ya Ọsarebe mere n'egwu. Ọsarebe buru egwu jee America, jee kwuo egwu na America. Spend the time in a big studio in America. Yeah, with that project.
Kedu America?
Yes, and I get full works, But I can do. Even I expect too much to do all that. Yeah, a bravo thing, much.
Waga kedu job you guys see your first break? Kedu job you guys see na onya be here? Bupute your face, bupute n'iru ọrụ.
The name WAGA G. Mgbe m mewere Ịdị Oke. Ụmụ egwu a na-akpọ Ịdị Oke it's a more Flavour. So the egwu bịa gaa viral where then Ịdị Oke na.
Can you remind us the lines?
Nwanne Ịdị Oke. Enwelo Ịdị Oke.
Okay.
Nothing do you Ịdị Oke. No be my
Ịdị Oke. Okay. Yeah.
My people call me WAGA G. Check me out. Abume G. 1212 yeah. G nigga what's up? Nwanne isi bata. Swagger representer. Otu ka isi abịa. You want try? Jam wahala. Say, one for the road. Boys are na-anyụnite mkpu. Ọmarịcha nwa irugide kwa familia. Keramite for my area.
Yeah.
Ịdị Oke.
Yeah. I remember.
At the jam that year. Hey, Cosmo FM. Shut down. Yeah, I'm back.
Cosmo of Ogus Babadem.
Yeah, Spaceman. I'm back. I'm then. Bezia Flavour. Mina Flavour. Lobaziolo. Incorporate the sound of his too. And my name became more popular around Flavour. Yeah.
What was your relationship with Flavour at that time? Kedu understand the Nununwe? Or as a featuring artist, or as a partner, or just my guy, Muni Anaro? Kedu understanding again at that time?
Yeah, like I said, Flavour was our producer. From there, I became now an engineer. Right? Then when we were an engineer, Mona Flavour now lost it directly, but he produced our engineer. So we started working as Oro Kainaro. Then it was the same synergy. He produced, I do the engineering part. It was not, I wasn't like any about partnership or anything. We were just like work buddies, like Oro Nakayoto. We just like to work together.
Do things together.
Yeah, and once we work together, things come out right. You know? So
I am a living witness.
Yeah, so we kept that energy, the work You know.
The collab was wicked, and some of us are still missing some of those collabos.
No, don't miss them. This December, I got the loud. Yeah, trust me.
You are hearing it for the first time on Gbam. WAGA G just leaked a secret. This December, one chọọ eardrum ọfụ debe n'akụ, chọọ spare ear. Achọkwa m ịnụ na ị nwere abụ ntị. Chọọ spare ear debe n'akụkụ. Ịghọtago? You and Flavour gave us timeless sounds and then everything. Ụfọdụ enwe video mfo nke na ya nọ n'ime moto, is it moto or plane, or a recent video olube 3 months or 4 months. You know, I think he was trying to say slangs and you are telling him the slangs well. You know, some people are now saying that this is the real bad influence. That now some of these lines, you know. So WAGA, I am asking you now, go about the bad influence that we've been seeing in Flavour, you know. Up at time, I'm one of Africa. I'm one of WAGA G, I'm asking you now, are you the bad influence in Flavour's line? Once and for all.
In fact, two of us we were two both bad influence. Just
to
bad
each other.
combination. Bad combination. It's just a bad combination. That those things I didn't go at that cab. I have my lines na when the radio show na Solid FM. You know. Mgbe m mere na ancient and modern, ya bụ ihe na-ekwu ma mbido the program. Ya, ọ ga-abụ mkpọpere the program mgbe a mbido kọba ozugbo. Ancient and modern. Sabo dị so ma ibulu onye ugwu, aka na ya bụ fam ibulu onye mmụọ. Ibuziala onye ofe, anyị atịja anyị esi. Wee sị ebe ọ bụla ị nọ wee na-ege m ntị. Pause. Ule!
Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ igwe anaghị ajụ gị arụ oyi, nwanne jebe na Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited.
Oh yeah, but so the thing was crazy then because we had so much fun doing that thing. You know?
How do you get your inspiration? Seeing some of those things. How do you get it?
My brother and man who can something.
Yes.
Normally, I'm a free spirit human being. I like having fun, but very serious person at the same time. Yeah. So, but you know, the inspiration I get from him again when a lot of exposure with men in the street. That's where I'm news wherever. Either about man or Abram homeboy. Go map on the street now. So those lines, they are now community 247, and they're going to do one at out. So Yans, yeah, Yan. Okay, at I don't know one at a lot in Yans, man. You know, because then with that, as time goes, you still pay attention to what's trending, you know, then don't get it twisted. Flavour no me, we are very, very more bad influence. Yeah, some of those things you want to instigate it. You want to see
no guy.
Oh yeah, no, but all those things, but Obian and the Egu itself, the music, Flavour. Most of those things now be from the Egu. You know, when we compose, we take time. You know, we take time to compose. We take for maybe 6 months composing one song. So
6 months.
All those times you hear the song, you know, you have different feels of the song, you know. So what I do is Flavour record Chazia the song. check it after 6 months. I've been hearing this thing for 6 months. So I will now come and put some vocals on top of it. And those vocals I'm putting on top of it, it's not like, okay, come and put vocals on top. No, I know the song.
How about going
So I know, without me trying too much, I know the things to put there subconsciously or by. Because I'm not going to go for a long time. Yeah, that's how we work. Then, I free myself, those things will come.
Can you remember some of your most popular vocals, Ikucha Negu Flavour, that people threw back at you when they see you? You know, they tell you, can you remember some of the most popular ones?
Ibuchie, Ejaye.
Ejaye. Ibuchie.
When you say it, I can't hear
yeah.
Yeah.
That one I've got a trademark already now.
Yeah. Only a lot of them. So many, but I've been away for a while,
We'll still talk about you being away. We'll still talk about you being away. Flavour, that has come up close to him. Can do some of the things about Flavour that some of us so now Maria will be surprised to even know. Ngwa go up close to him. Can do some of the things about him that people don't really know.
Let me not go too far. I'm going to the closest one. On a man not like this, a few like when I need Jafia, no to wine like that.
Yes. Flavour
When I Flavour in for, also now one of the people who zero discipline now why. Flavour discipline now why. Onwehebo. Ada lot to ala. Wamwonga. That kind of discipline. But in a fear, Mama no Maria. I know I borrow wine. Jenwa. You hear me?
Yes.
Flavour had a rehab and awful. Over a town womb, yeah. So, in again, I fear no, and that just like I said, it's good. But the real person.
You are close to Phyno as well. I know Ego Ngina Phyno me. I think live. I think Phyno is part of that job too. Live.
Yep.
And were some things that people have against because Phyno and Flavour is our biggest export, for over a decade now, if not going to 2 decades. Ụfọdụ na-afụ ya as if Fhyno na Flavour achọrọ inyelu ndị ọzọ aka, produce others, just the way, the likes of Olamide, Don Jazzy, them are doing. Iwetago na ha chọrọ na that thing of some boys ga-akwụ syndrome. Now, a display. Do you think that is at play? And why is it that people like Phyno and Flavour have not reproduced stars like Nde Yoruba? Ganiru?
Okay, I'll go back to Yankuru before. Omeya Brawatin. Okumeya Guameya. Brawatin. I will tell you the truth. Can they qualify again?
Phyno na Flavour.
Can do gua. Can they refer to?
Okay.
We are just doing it. We are the ones that did it and did it so good. In an Igbo. Muhammad Segase. Flavour. When I hear people say, do I not try in okay. No. Apart from that, career the Flavour bonota. I can tell you, because I'm there. When I was on a borrow to an extreme. Ihe nchọefu from ụmụ Bible hapụ okwu rụba ọrụ.
Banye ọlụ.
Ihe a bụ ihe sevuru anyị. Ịghọta mmiri? Ọrụ ka anyị rụrụ. Ọ na-abụ m Flavour tugulu anyị like this. If we calculate, ihe a ga na-asị bụ okay, ị na-anya n'azụ ka ifu ndị na-agbagote. Who is dedicating as much time to this ọrụ? Because some of you to blow, man, God, do this, do
Over
that.
time.
Yeah, that's not what you're looking for. You need to build the character na arụ the ọrụ. Because up till now, if not, there's no two ways about it. Phyno, the same thing. Ọrụ bụ ihe niile. There's no way you can work hard and you say, no, come on now. It's a clean slate, it's a plain ground on why nobody gives anybody power. If you want to get power, you collect it.
You go for it.
Yeah, you just go and collect it. I didn't know the power naka. Oh, it's your power, it's your way. And how do you take it? You work so hard that once you step up to the power play, nobody can say no. Yes. Ọbụna Flavour kọwara egwu ya bụ sọsọ Igbo fans. How do I came going to sense? Yeah, and I say, onwe onye ọ chọrọ inyere aka. Ebido go those ones. Anyị na-afịa aka. Okay, imerụ onye a, imerụ iji ikpogote onye a. Okay, ikpogote mmadụ. Ọgụ egwu nke ya, or blow one time, okay? What happens after that? Either.
Yes.
So that person he ikpogote, cordial, in the character to continue the work.
To sustain.
Go back to my brother, he have all cob. Okay, for you to koputo onwe amara gị na-ewu ọ bụrụ nyere m aka tin. No, I just want everybody to understand it. It's not okay, gụnwa bụ ya mbaba eke adọ na chebe ka ofu onye bịara nyere gị aka. I don't know if you understand.
Yes.
You wake up, you do what you gotta do, and leave the rest for God. May only get me. Yes. Phyno na Flavour. Man say na enyere mmadụ aka, but all I see it is as ha emego their part, gbambo kwupụta onwe ha. It should serve as an inspiration, not as onyelere anyị aka. Because I don't like people now a sound like a victim. Because it doesn't
Pity.
No, it doesn't make sense. You have to go over the plane. If you want to get it, you grab it. No. He's there. All you have to.
You got the mean.
He got sleep or talk. I'm going to sleep or dawn. He began to 2 hours. He was 7. Yes. Oh, that's the criteria. So, even if they do it, still wouldn't make much difference. You know? Yeah. And Onyeisinkuka, to my own understanding, they've done quite well, some collabos, whatever, with some people. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, but the story will never change. It will always be then but the main thing whoever is an artist or a musician or anything, Igbo, and you want to get to that place, we also take it. I'm not telling you otherwise. Crack your brain. Ask yourself questions. Sleepless nights. That's what it took. It didn't take somebody from, it didn't take any magic. It didn't do when has I reached? We stay up all night. We did something others people were not doing. That's how we got what we got. Yeah. So if they want to get it, they work. I'm not saying that they are not working, but cancel all that mindset of that's a pity mindset, and he can never help you. No.
No, at least enough of Flavour and Phyno. It is a WAGA G that we'll have on the interview. Flavour and Phyno,
Yeah.
WAGA, without knowing it, or I don't know that you know it, you created a genre that Odeke Emoroni creates, you know, that type of, you know, nonchalant music. You know, if you created it, and I think somebody like Quincy P, Nyakwala in that vibe, if you can remember, after you know what happened to that style of music. Before you, just like I said, I mentioned Prophet Mek them, you know, and everything. What happened to that genre? Obi odekwa ko ihe ha na enjoy with Naira Marley and Charlie Poppy them, because that is the type of thing they do in their own language. What happened to that Igbo nonchalant musical industry? You know, what happened to it?
Well, I would say that the younger generation, they didn't go that way as such, from what I see. Yeah. Most of them buying into more of a lifestyle kind of music. Lifestyle kind of music. When I say lifestyle, they live the lifestyle more than the music itself.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah. That's the only thing because now I am raising the Nagazi that deep. If you're like you're saying, yeah, but like it is creativity, but a creativity with a flair.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Because there's creativity with all seriousness, like when no man then I like go ahead was in it's are serious. Yeah, but all the playful.
Playful, that's the word. Playful.
Yeah, because of the freeness to creativity, you know. I the free then and create what we like, you know. But now people are creating what they think people will like.
They're not doing themselves again.
That's the difference. So that's realness at the thousand. You know, the real them. Then I know go to Bambo, you know. That's how you more myself. You know, people like it, you know. Now people call me WAGA G. People like, yeah. So then you know, and people like it. But now the matter the concentrated getting the matter like it.
Come trap, come
so the originality gone.
What do you think about this guy? Because Odeka on Aboka side I touch, you know, off and on. This guy's faculty. What do you think about his kind of music?
There were a lot of good artists na Igbo. Spakuti Igbo very good. As a matter of fact, I made Injima the boy except for my wife. My wife like Igbo the boy. Yeah. So there were a lot of people known as East Spakuti. One called Danny B.
Danny
or
B.
something like that.
Yeah. You talk Igbo. I think. Then Oba something. Oba give me the order. Yeah.
There were a lot of people did good na East. Na Grace Wegu, not quite the vibe. Man, just like I said, we can only do Onaige na East based on our thing.
Yes.
Our thing. Like all these things, I'm going to support our musicians, grassroots. Normal support Wagoda. I give you a good example of what I said. A typical Igbo man, eating show here, $5,000 naira ko buy. Ogasigo nyebonya and they clear na TV.
Kevon na go even one.
Get gonna go. I don't know if you understand me.
Let's welcome Inyanya. Keyo na anya ye one.
That was a umu here ko umu enu ge krita ga be na go na stage. Say
Couple.
Come get out there.
Waga, let's talk about living the game. What happened? Obia anogide na Waga G awa. Koi la polo olwa. Keve topo Kevin and Kevin no. Why did you leave the game? What happened?
Okay. Well, in 2018, Amanduma. Another boom. Amanduma of 2017. 2018. I go na America kwakota kwa. A visa on quick with a visa. Visa Gbam. Nah. You I never travel before other places. They go my friends. I never wanted to travel and stay. Because I get up on that, but I don't know I'm Americans. Okay. America got to too small. So by when we double mind, boy my brother and banjo, I say, okay, you talk can you feel? I see me my hair get madam now. See me just go to America. See I can just go to America. See okay so bad. Then in America in January. Olona February that my brother.
Hey.
So Hokodi. Metete. No say Mugawa Americans. Yeah, come on, say Mugawa America. Meza America, Muganari. So okay, I stayed back. Meet here my wife, everything. Mowomo. Bivendo. Then Mbaba one notice here in Nigeria. I'm a bag of outside too much. I tried to make amends. Oh yeah, I've been away for 7 years, but you get one thing that 7 years. Flavour this chapwa. You can't go WAGA G there. Chapwa you got hair. And come around somehow.
Yes.
So not fully away. But coming here was a blessing to me as well.
Okay.
Yeah, because at that stage in my life, I needed something else to look up to. I needed to start learning new things. Because one, I like learning new things and growing, expanding my knowledge. So when we have exposure, different exposure, or the work na happen by the work you lose out, the work na mgbe mgbakọ wepụ eluzu mana gain kwe. I'm an American citizen. God damn it.
Clean.
So, it's a journey, but like I said, all my people in Nigeria, I still try a way to make sure
you connect.
I connect. Even my program,
OPP worldwide, ndị Bọta FM.
The Bọta FM. Still up to date, I can anokwa as Instagram, through the program I've touched a lot of people, positively, negatively.
Negative, hey, Boston.
Always work now.
Yeah,
so the thing is, I've then maintained one OPBI. We're still strong, very strong now, stronger than before. All my people are there. This December, I get another carnival. Yeah, we do it every year. We go to less privilege. I just told them, I know boarding. Yeah, I'm more. So I require things. Then I boarding.
I want to make healthy living a culture in our society. The time to make exercise, you sweat. That sweat is very important. Ibana garden, bela kukwani very natural food. Or if your body need it, just new abuna day to chukusike.
Get the concept of OPP. I think na all COVID-19 all the key push for well during that COVID that lockdown. Get the concept behind that OPP worldwide and the Water FM. What inspired it? What was it all about?
OPP bidoli in 2017 na my birthday. Ebidoli OPP like a jokingly political party. Not like jokingly. And by half times as a governor. And my party Oringo People's Party. So I started doing some videos then, which people liked it, and that's how we started making OPP. Then we say, okay, I like Kwame. Let me dial into it. Better dial into it. Okay, I can actually make it a community, other people around that have the same goals. Because it's all about people as followers for the thing. The idea of we can contribute money and go support some people. Let it not just be Nana boarding. Yeah. And we started doing it, and it's been so ever since. Every year I backward together to Kotego, Mad. But the whole idea about Oringo must continue. We have normal laws. My idea of having the community is one thing I believe in. Emotional intelligence. Right?
Yes.
And that is the most important thing I want to achieve with the community. Together.
Yes.
People coexisting together without competition, without fighting, without normal nonsense behavior. That's how I see it. Let's just be happy as one big family. And when you can only share with me. If you na man on a level,
yes.
I will yes. So it's just a community. we are all equal.
Kama ị ga-anwụ anwụ ka ifuru efuru.
Dị anyị oringo kacha mma ihe taa. Because more of oringo as a way to give God glory.
Happy?
Yes. Mgbe ị na-agba oringo, what are you doing? Are you sad or happy?
Yes.
Happy. And happiness is the closest thing that can get you face to face with God. You don't come to God with a sad, sorrowful face. If you come like that, you come to collect. You understand me?
Yes.
Well, when you can come clean to your maker is when you are happy. Check you go up and a snow man. Go and end the money. When are you going to expect to see your employees come to you? When they are happy. Man, how much you try to beg you like this? You guys don't keep the problem.
Yes.
But when they are happy, you yourself, you are happy. So anyone forget being a boring girl, I say, okay, my guy.
You are thanking him for making all these things available.
Thank you. You get what I mean.
WAGA. WAGA, can you go some of your fans that have been missing you and then they want to hear something like that on Madam?
I will tell them that lately we've been working, you know. Album in Nigeria happened very soon, and I played parts on it, made sure that my people, because I've equally grown fans around Flavour's sound and my own name as well. Then my songs, from next year, I'm an art of something. Yes. I'm an art of something. Yes.
Can you song biggest now be your biggest now? Personally. Your music.
Personally. My biggest song, all depends. My biggest song, all depends. But my biggest song ever has always been Idioke. Then Omandemma.
Personally, yeah. I prefer that Omandemma.
Omandemma, yeah, is more modern. Even him at the wave in Benke Idioke, focus. You know. But Omandemma, the more modern. It was just 2017.
There's something about your voice. It's not just about the sound, the voice. What I go, Odeka onye onu gbakakwa edozikwa dị onu. Yotago. Yotago. Ibara taya bịa gba na patch ya yotago. Okana aga.
Oh yeah.
Yotago.
I know do I get see ya. I don't find it. I don't know what we do just to keep quality fight to no No.
When I like that man let's vibe it with you. Now that's my favorite, you know. Now some of those lines.
But very straightforward word lines. Omandemma, aingolo se baba maka. Odigwego, nyana mameto gaka. Baby yo kan se kwasiga kan nene baganya. Nanjebe kan se ka de ne toge telumaka. Yemuya. Yeah.
That was Zoro on the rap now.
Yeah, Zoro and Phyno. Yeah, I had Zoro and Phyno on there.
Zoro bo onye ji Igbo asofone.
Yeah.
What's up with Zoro for you? How do you think his career has been so far?
Yeah, he's done well. He pushed. Yeah. I wouldn't say he has not done well for at least apart from Flavour, he has done well. He has done well. But Timagona, like I always tell people, if I say this, it will make you feel somehow. And when it takes some it take 2 weeks before you have the time. Ina akuegu fans boro Sunday Igbo. My brother, you get one limitation.
Showdown.
Ọ bụ na egwu ga-break out. Jeje na-ewuru ndị Yoruba. Ọ jeje na-ewuru n'ofu kọntrị nwa. Sokwa ya bụrụ Togo. Ma ọ ye nwa. That's the only way you can break out of that circle of ndị Igbo. And the ndị Igbo can now respect you. If not, they will never respect you.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to go up here. Egwu bụrụ sọ ndị Igbo na-agị ya bụrụ your fans.
They don't regard you.
Ha need ka afụ gị na egwu na-ewuzi na.
He shot or down Cameroon. Shot or down Senegal.
Ịbịanụ. Ya niile bụ ihe anyị mechara ka nna gwa gị.
Yes.
Ya bụ ihe Flavour mechara.
Yes.
O ji dịka ọ dị ebube.
Yes. People are now na field. People are now
ndị mmadụ na-anwụ na Cameroon. Ị na-ajụ onwe gị, ọzụkwa onye ebe Igbo be anyị na-eme ihe a.
Ọ bụ sokwa Chinedu.
Thank you. Bụ otu a ka esi agụ. That's how they give you respect. But as far as egwu ga across, my brother.
Across the border.
It go dey difficult. The career thing.
WAGA, and we go so many people that you have inspired. I remember a friend of mine named Idioke on radio station as a program, Idioke. Then there's a young friend of mine too. Keta Abozia WAGA G. Some people, Gen Zs will not remember you. They will start remembering a comedian. WAGA G is Botonya Bagana. Kalajaro. How did you take that? Having another WAGA G, same name, when they mention WAGA G, they don't remember you, except the OGs. They remember the skit, the content creator, WAGA G, is Bonya Bagana Kalajaro. How do you take that, and what does that mean for you?
Well, first time, Marus, I'm going to send the album video. Some long way into somewhere. So we send the article. This your podcast that I might send.
Okay.
Well, sing another. Just although I'm a bugum makari boy, I'm fat even Instagram. I'm one born and tell my but all those things I see it as WAGA G, but after I put to go out there and it could a lot of people can answer it. It's okay. Yota. Mano, I doesn't know the name. I know the name. Yeah, but man, I've watched him. I like him. But I'm a young man in the Jay-Z. I quite do America. I'm on I'm a blue woman now. Hammers, onye ha na-afụ na Facebook.
Yes. For him to write you, that means he wants to pay homage somehow. And then that means he actually respects and loves you as a person.
No, of course. Hey, there's no two ways about it. I appreciate that I see people being inspired by whatever I did in my life.
Yes.
At least he's answering the name. He's doing well for.
Very
himself.
bold guy. Very, very, very audacious too.
Yeah. I know the young man. I know him. And he's, like I said, he's doing well. I like when he put to him. Or he's working. He's trying. The only thing I gotta be able. WAGA G. The WAGA G original. Yeah, the original because I can go far. Yeah. So you people WAGA G just understand they are no. I'm a WAGA G. But you get me work with me,
But he has something. to stand out on your own too.
Because for your own good, because
yes,
you can't. It's just like you are building somebody's name instead of building your own name. Yeah, imagine go up and the guy build his own name by now. Yeah, I can yeah.
Yes.
With how he's working. Yeah, because the name will still be out there.
Yes.
More than himself, more than maintain effort to not build somebody's name like that. No. You know, it's not something I can do. But if he wants to do it, that's fine. Ma ọ bụ maka ya nwere na ọ kachasị fichaa nke a dị nke mgbada ọzọ abaghị ibe
ife agba n'ụzọ eteghị ezigbo aka
mgbe ife agba n'ụzọ ka na-agbakwa abụọkwa nke ka na-ama like I said this December ọja adịla out
a ga-anụ ụdị ya
a ga-adị adịla out.
Kedu that your life I think is one of your most played sound on YouTube live featuring Flavour and Phyno. It is an unusual type of your sound. You know,
yep.
It is soulful. More like what was the inspiration?
Well, yeah, we Flavour dash more.
Okay. Hoha.
And my Flavour dash me. I'm going again and I know that. I don't know them, and I have here.
Yes,
yeah, we Flavour go to my Yana Phyno, Dako.
Yes.
Good idea already. I just felt like giving people something. Now, I assume that we're gonna yeah, Into their voice was good, bro. As you. Yeah. But you go dash, yeah?
Yeah. WAGA, when you were doing your thing, if I wasn't in my senior secondary school, highest I would be in I think I should be in year 1 or so. That is why I actually since you want to go to document someone like you. Because Ebo an archiver, and I don't know, even some of us don't do this. I don't know who else will do it. You know, mgbe made that akwa enwe program ime during COVID-19.
Can I make a look at that?
But that COVID-19 nkachi oko that time. Because I think people actually was looking towards every Friday,
Sunday.
Oh, okay. It's a Ecuador December.
Shut down. December guy, like I said.
Yes. A lot of people will be surprised to see WAGA G talking normal like this. Yeah, I am interviewed with them. I know the after the artist. I forgot the person. Can we divulge, you know, one or two things?
Of course. I wouldn't like him now that my program, Land About FM. English is smoking on up. I guess, hi, this boy,
Yati.
He is smoking on up.
Looking at Silva, Anambra,
Combo. Oh yeah, we are about Enugu.
Yes.
Please, you get one orientation from different people. Just Arabia for
yes.
school. Enugu with my combination, everything.
Yes.
Yeah, I get all those things.
Yes.
But for the most part, you know, I got to tell you about but we thank God for life. You know, we thank God for life.
WAGA, I appreciate you. I appreciate what you've done for the game and what you will keep doing. And we take your time, more like final remark. And we come and we have now drogi, ichoke, patuaka, mono when kai jukwagi, ichokwaki, emphasize their own. More than when a kene, puliche, more advice, more bond, more no, why you cheat of vam, or you catalo belon. Please, go ahead, please. Final remark, boss.
Okay. Well, I want to highest thing, but I'll just drop some words.
Okay.
For literally it get better in future.
Yes.
Echezina onye ga-enyere gị aka.
Yes.
In life, bụ ọfịa arụ sie ike. What do you do? Start learning something that you don't know before. Instead of being scared and complaining, just move about something new towards that thing you are doing. It will help you. Before you know it, you start doing what you've not been doing. So, there's no two ways about it. You're not shake. No, it should be. Yes. Then, it's a good one, me being on this program as well, even from afar. But
Yes.
I appreciate your effort as in trying to, make it happen. And
You're welcome,
you've
boss.
been doing good. My brother.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Oh, like I said, it's one of the people I got and say, okay, and when Igbo name so Jishike, my brother. We always support you and we help now. Like I said, December I may come back. If you warrant, I like to sit with you guys too. And you can say yeah. But anyhow, thank you so much for having me.
If you get me like Uncle, I want to Flavour more Phyno. Onye anyị ka isi onye anyị interview no ife ndị Igbo ka anyị na-eme.
Udo dị na. Na we na.
Yes.
Na we. Yes. Anyị.
WAGA biko sign ya out as if me na-eme ndị Water FM ma ọ na-eme program. Then ịgwafa ka fa na-esoyela anyị na Gbam. Achọrọ m ka ihe anyị 1 or 2.
Biko nụ na-esokwenụ Gbam. If I have WAGA G, Onyeisinkuka, live and direct, now Gbam, full Gbam. You know what I mean? Anyway, like I said, I don't want to do greedy in Nigerian. Just be a good boy. Instead of being a full-fledged boyfriend and demanding right. You better just be a side nigga. You know what I mean? And enjoy the benefits of free quintus. Anyway, this is WAGA G Onyeisinkuka signing out.
WAGA! WAGA, is a pleasure to have you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And ebe aka ga ote na njidebe n'oge Gbam tata. Ọ anyị na Ikenna ekezi ezigbo onye ogede to na 042. Ezigbo onye ụwa nkwesịrị ịmụ ya. Ọ na-emara ịma na ka bụ Gen Z. Mana ndị OG, ndị a bụ ndị kwenyela anyị n'ọkụ when we were trying to understand Olingo. Ọ bụ na a na-enwe face of Olingo. Onye akịta ka mgbala ajụjụ ọrụ na onye a bụ face of Olingo. Ndị be anyị gwa m afa mgbochi Joke Igwendo Odogwu bụ ya mba bụ ezigbote onye aba ka o mesịa na udo. Ị nwere akọ pụrụ iche ịchọ ka ụwa nọ. Ị nwere ife dị n'obi ịchọ ikwu Gbam. Ị nwere ife dị omimi ịchọ ka onye ọbụla malụ. O nwere akala aka izolo ezo ịchọ ka ụwa fụ na inwe passion for. Bịa na Gbam ka ụwa n'onu yi. Ị nwere business ịchọ ịkwụnye n'ọkụ. O nwere product ịchọ ka o soro na Gbam. Ịchọ ka ife ị na-ele, ife ị na-eme na-aga as viral as Gbam. We are here for you. Contact the number on your screen. Ka anyị kwụnye n'ọkụ ka ịfụ na ọ na-eme. Adamuaka, Gbam is the biggest Igbo interview in the world. Come and find out for yourself. Thank you.